Hi everyone. Welcome back to our channel, Speak Easy English. In today's video, we will learn a simple Tamil to English conversation at the railway station. This will help you speak confidently when traveling by train. Passenger. Tamil, Vanakkam. Chennaiku oru ticket vendom. English, hello. I need one ticket to Chennai. Ticket clerk. Tamil, நிச்சயமாக. எந்த வகுப்பு டிக்கெட்? English, sure. Which class ticket? Passenger. Tamil, இரண்டாம் வகுப்பு. English, second class, please. Ticket clerk. Tamil, ரயில் காலை 9 மணிக்கு வருகிறது. இதோ உங்கள் டிக்கெட். English, the train arrives at 9 am. Here is your ticket. Passenger. Tamil, train எந்த பிளாட்பார்மில் வரும்? English, which platform will the train come to? Ticket clerk. Tamil, பிளாட்பாரம் எண் 2 இல் வரும். English, it will come on platform number 2. Passenger. Tamil, நன்றி. English, thank you. That's it. Now you know how to speak English at the railway station. Practice these lines every day. Like, comment, and subscribe for more spoken English videos in Tamil. See you in the next video.